right, from sports to weather, and some of you need to be weather aware today. You're talking about potential flooding.
Exactly, and it's not for everyone. It's almost like a tale of two forecasts. If you are over into our southern Kentucky portion, you're not going to have as much rain.
Okay.
But then you head closer to the Alabama state line, and that's where the game changes, and we already have flash flood watches in place, as well as flood watches. And I know you're like, well, what's the difference? We'll go over that. It's two separate National Weather Services that are helping us out with all that information. Right here in the city, we're coming in at 62 degrees. We haven't had any rain as of yet, only a light drizzle. But you are still, even though you're not dealing with a watch or a warning, you're still going to have some rain associated with what is left of beta. Our friends over in Lawrenceburg, you had some rain yesterday. You added to it since midnight, coming in just around 0.15 of an inch. And we're looking to see that uptick as we go throughout our morning and afternoon. Now, by evening, things will begin to decrease as far as how much rain and how heavy it is going to be. Here are flood threats right now. You'll notice in the Hunter Green, we've got a flood watch highlighted for you. In the Lime Green, a flash flood watch, meaning we could be dealing with some heavy showers and then all of a sudden it's standing water right there. And of course, that's added on what we had yesterday. And this is going to be a little bit more intense as we go throughout the day. Now, just because you are not under a watch doesn't mean you are dry and it's going to be sunny. We're all dealing with the cloud cover today, and we're still going to have some pockets where we have some heavier showers, which is just off the plateau what we are experiencing right now. But the most steady activity will be down closer to the Tennessee Valley, particularly Lawrenceburg, going into 5 Points, Fayetteville. That's what we're going to keep a very close eye on as we head throughout the day. This is just the beginning of beta. I know yesterday it felt like it was an all-day event because it was. Beta is very slow. Right now, winds are moving the system around 12 to 13 miles per hour. That's its forward motion. So it's better than what it was yesterday, but it's still going to hang with us throughout the entire day. You actually can tell where the core is just by looking at all those winds closer into Mississippi. So the center is pretty far from us. And remember, it's very slow to move. So here's a look at exact track. You'll notice as we head around lunchtime, that's when we're really going to notice those heavier and steady showers taking place south of I-40. That's where we're really looking to see the most rain, and then it's going to ease its way closer into the plateau as we head around dinner time. As we transition overnight, the clouds do stay with us, but we'll notice the rain showers easing out. We could see a few light showers on the backside of beta, but overall that would just be a sprinkle here or there. What you really need to focus on is what's happening today, especially down to our south, where some areas could receive upwards of 2 to even 4 inches. But look at the big difference. We got heavy and steady rain down to our south. You head northward and you're talking less than 1/10 of an inch for some of you. Here's a look over the next 7 days. Today is going to be the day we're watching what is left of beta. Temperatures reflect that as well. Down to our south, you're going to be in the mid 60s. Everyone else, upper 60s. 10% chance of showers just for our early morning tomorrow, 78 by the afternoon. Saturday, Sunday, we're back in the 80s, and it's going to remind you that summer was just a few days ago. Rain chances are slim, but they are there for the afternoon, and you'll notice we drop down on Wednesday, a high of 67. Nick, it's a roller coaster ride.